Listen, tryhard, some of you may know this about banking already, but if you do not know, there is a secret to a lot of pool tables that players don't know, and I'm going to show you on this video. Let's go. Did you notice those little diamonds on the pool table? Well, I'll tell you what, they are connected. They're all connected to each other in some way, in some form. I'm going to show you in this video which ones are connected to banking into the side pocket. Right here, when you're following through, this first diamond or that first diamond lead towards the side pocket every single time. There's an aiming point and there's a contact point. I want y'all to look at the aiming point right here. I'm aiming at that first diamond and it goes towards that side pocket every single time. Now, as we continue up, remember that if you move up a full diamond, where you're making contact, you're going to only move up half a diamond. You with me? I know some of you might think the cue ball only moved up half a diamond, but we're looking at the angle of which we're aiming at our object ball. So if we look at the angle, we're always moving up a full diamond, okay? In which case, the contact point on the other side of the table, we're moving up half a diamond. So look at which ones connect. You see the dots, right? I'm drawing this diagram out for you. So if we go from the side pocket, we're always going to go at the 2.5 mark. And we're just using stun here, people. We're using a little bit below center. We want to control that cue ball. We're not adding any spin to it at all. Now, if we move up a full diamond and do not move up half a diamond on the other side, this is what will happen. We will miss the pocket by approximately half a diamond. Here it is again. Center ball. We did not adjust on our other side, so that's why the ball's not going in. Now, if we aim half a diamond over, we make contact with our side pocket. Remember, this is not a magical system. You will need to practice. You will need to look for that feel in order to get consistent results. Make sure to save this video so you can practice on your own time. I'm Dupree, aka The Tryhard. Y'all keep trying hard, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.